Welcome to my bathroom. This is a different kind of video. I thought I would just show you what I have like quickly within reach that I use very often in my bathroom. So it's gonna be skincare, some hair care, tools I've been loving, just kind of what's in the drawers that are closest to me that I use a lot. I haven't done a video like this before and I thought it would be fun to do it. So I am in my bathroom. If this looks different and you missed it, we moved earlier this summer. So this is my space. We are still, as you can see in the mirror, still getting organized and figuring out what kind of art I want in here. It's over my left shoulder, but in the reflection you can see it here. This is like a vanity area that you can sit in. I'm not gonna use it like that because I have a vanity in my bedroom which has much better light, but I'm still figuring out kind of what I want that space to look like. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, hold it, and just give you like a little casual tour of what I have in my bathroom. I haven't organized anything. I haven't purged or edited anything. So what you see is what I actually see every single morning. The first drawer immediately to my left is this one. It needs a little love, don't you think? This is my hair ties that I use for sleeping or for quick messy buns, my glasses I've been wearing. I lay my toothbrush in here and just a mess of everything that came over from the old house. I really don't use a ton of this stuff very often. We've got cat, nail, trimmers, duckbill clips, I use those. But this is my like contact lens case, glasses, hair tie, toothbrush, toothpaste area. Everything else, honestly, I could probably get rid of, but I just moved it over in the move. Moving on to the right drawer. This is where I store my brushes. I've been working on hair extensions. I want to provide a helpful post for you all on if you want to use extensions, how to use them and how to make them work for your haircut. This is my mirror. I'm not sure why there's a lighter in there, to be totally honest, but I have two wet brushes here and then this black brush. This brush is the Mason Pearson. I need to clean it out, but this was a gift to myself. Just after reaching some business milestones that I set. This is a very nice hairbrush that usually you have for your lifetime and possibly pass it down to a family member. It's that classic and iconic of a brush. Down one level, these are my most commonly used right now hair tools. So I have a whole other drawer of hair tools over there. But for now, I've been working with this T3 flat iron. I have the Dyson blow dryer that came with all of the attachments. That is not the typical Dyson blow dryer. The usual one is much bigger, but that is the tool that came with all of the other brushes with it. I think the styler is what it's called. I have this Hot Tools styler. That was something I was trying. I'm gonna give it another go. Let me move some stuff out of the way here because I wanted it to be right. It's not exactly right, but those brushes are so helpful. It's just too hot. I shared about that on stories, but I wish it wasn't as hot and I had more temperature control. More hair extensions in there that I've just played around with, and then that box in the back is where I keep a lot of my hair ties. My clear elastics, that's the brand you're looking at right there, and then just other various hair ties in there. Moving over here to this column that separates myself and Justin. This is my like everyday or every night drawer. So let me focus here for you. So this is what I use at night to take off my makeup, and then I'll usually put either this fresh night cream on or a different product I'm trying. I've been using Latisse on my eyelashes, so that's what that is. I'm not sure why that NARS lip balm is in there. This is the Biossance Phytoretinol Serum. I love this. This is every morning and every night. A little lip balm, and then the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench. I love this moisturizer. It is fantastic. And then a hair tie that needs to go over here. Okay, let's open up those. This part of being a beauty blogger is really fun. Also, I was using those toilet cleaners and I had those stick on your toilet. I had to put it up out of reach of the children, so it is up very high next to my hairspray. This is a combination of being a beauty blogger as well as a hairstylist. You can see the products I stock up on. And then, so I kind of did skincare, body, hair. So I just pulled the drawer out a little bit for you. You can see there's a huge mix of products here. I'm not sure why this Aquaphor is in here. I need to put that in Emily's room. but mostly skincare over here, either longtime favorites or stuff I'm trying. And then this little drawer, or this little bowl, was on my countertop at the other house. I have a few tanning things that I wanted to put in this drawer so they wouldn't knock over without me noticing. And I'll just add those drops to lotion if I want to do that. My contact solution is up here. And then moving up to the next level here, this is all hair products. These are the easiest for me to grab because they're on the left side. I can just open one door and grab them out of there. So my go-to hairspray, my root lifter, and then basically all of these products over here. I really truly use a variety of things almost every time I style my hair just to keep trying new stuff. So I can't call it all daily, but I use a lot of it. This has been a favorite. This is the Alterna Bond Repair 3-in-1 Sealing Serum. I love this, especially for summertime. My hair gets really trashed, so that helps a lot, and you don't feel it on your hair. Next level is more backstock than anything. So it's extra hairspray, extra root lifter, and then some shampoo and conditioner back there, also just backstock. And then the toilet cleaner. Hey, I told you guys it would be real life, and this certainly is. So that is this middle kind of column storage area in the bathroom. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little look at what's in my bathroom right now. That changes, I want to say monthly, but honestly it's like bi-weekly that it changes with new products I'm trying to see if they're great, to see if they're not so great. New skincare, I'm just always trying new things. That's one of the parts of my job that I absolutely love, is I want to try it and then tell you all whether or not it's good or whether you should pass on it. So if you want links or you're curious about more details of any of the products or tools or anything I mentioned in this video, you can click on this pop-up that comes up on the screen. You can click right on it and you will be able to shop all of the things I talked about in the video. You can also find a link to shop right below this video in the description box.